Hello and welcome one more time to Design by Riveras. My name is Luis Rivera. Bienvenidos todos una vez más. Mi nombre es Luis Rivera and this is Design by Riveras by Luis and Dilandia. On today's video, we are doing something a little funny. Maybe you hear about this kind of Instagram makeups. Today, I am going to do a review of one of the very trending foundation you see like magic happening in Instagram and Facebook. Hoy vamos a hacer un review acerca de una foundation o una base que se está viendo mucho en Instagram y en Facebook. Entonces, yo quiero dar mi review y quiero saber qué tan cierto es que esta foundation and this base is really that good how show on Instagram. But remember, before you go and continue watching this video, don't forget subscribe, share, and like. And remember, try to share with all your friends and family. And don't leave before you've done this video without go and subscribe and ring and the notification bell. Because if not, you don't receive the notification every time we upload a new video or some new posts. Then, for everybody ready for this review, the name of this product is IL MAKIAGE. Stay tuned until the end and check how this really works. Is that magic, how they say on Instagram? ¿De verdad funciona como dicen en Instagram y en todas las social media? Wait for us and let's check our review. 7 weeks before, we are doing the application in both sides with different tools. One brushes and the other beauty blender. Como en las semanas anteriores, vamos a hacer el mismo proceso. Un lado brushes y en el otro esponjas. Vamos a ver cómo nos funciona esta aplicación. With the process, what we did, you can see, is so interesting because when I was doing the application, what I see is, in person, what I was having was a very sheer product application. But when I see in camera and I see on the screen, and the biggest screen I have here in my studio, it's looking great, really. And the camera look great, but here in person, don't look nothing like what I see. I don't know, because they call this product the selfie foundation. Then maybe have some kind of magic on the camera, maybe some kind of product made the filter work on the camera, because really in camera, and maybe it's what you don't go to see the difference, and you will see look beautiful in camera, but I can tell you in person don't look nothing like that. In person I can see every hyperpigmentation of Dilandia. Of course, don't cover and don't make the skin look smooth or soft. Then I don't know how good will be this application and this product for long last and for flawless. Es muy interesante porque cuando estoy haciendo la aplicación, ya sea con brocha o con Beauty Blender, en persona luce súper light, casi transparente, y el color no es malo, el tono no es malo. En especial una vez que se empieza a oxidar en la piel, agarra un tono bien, pero no cubre nada. Pero si lo veo en la pantalla que refleja mi cámara, la piel luce bonita. Entonces creo que tiene, lo mencionaba en inglés, creo que tiene algún complemento o algún efecto de HD que ayuda a la percepción de la cámara o del lente a crear una imagen más bonita, porque a este producto le llaman el selfie, la base selfie o algo así. Pues puede funcionar en cámara, pero en persona tal vez no. Entonces, si te quieres ver bonita en cámara, puede que te funcione, pero let's see. Vamos a ver, continuemos con el resto de la aplicación y vamos a ver qué es lo que viene. Once I did the contouring and highlighting with concealer and blush, here you can see the final setting look, and yes, look nice for camera, for picture, you will see. I think at the end of the look is what we want. I did something very, very natural because I want to try this and give a really good test like with the other foundation. Then let's see what's going on during the day and I will give you a next update and the next step. Today was a very hot day, hot and humid, and we did it like always. We try a foundation, we did a workout, and try to have the same kind of day, and then we film practically the day we are doing the same routine when we do the test of this kind of foundation. And here's the deal, okay? This is a joke, and it's always what happens with the staff promise too much, okay? Because it's not a cheap brand or I don't know or service. I will say it's funny. It's very frustrating because look, here's the image of how Dilandia done after the workout, and this is only the first check-in, and that's it. That was everything, because like you see in videos before, Dilandia can handle when she don't look good and the makeup she's carrying in that moment. Then she done taking out after this. That means after the workout. The workout was maybe 3 or 4 hours after we did the application. And yes, it was very sunny. We did the workout outside. I will link the video up there about the workout we did it that day, and you can see how it looked during the day, the makeup. And I can tell you, if it's called selfie makeup or selfie foundation, not even to that, you know, because once we was in the sun and the camera and we was filming, Dilandia looked like she was melting. Definitely in person, the makeup looked not bad, awful. She looked completely greasy. She looked every imperfection she have and she don't have even. I mean, the day of during the workout was completely frustrating. I know for her because she likes to look good on camera, and that was very, very bad. I will say stay away from that. If you listen my recommendation and you like to know, but if you want to try, is your, you know, I don't know, this is the way we try, you know, but if you, I will say, if you like very light makeup and you don't have any imperfection, maybe this can work and can work for pictures. What I say, look beautiful on the camera, look beautiful on the TV, don't look good on person. Que mis queridos amigos y amigas, makeup people, beauty people, oigan, esto es uno de los más grandes disappointments que yo tengo. Decían en inglés que en especial por el precio. Oh my God, o sea, para el precio que tiene esto y para lo que promete, no, mi gente. Les digo, cuando ustedes salgan al sol y se quieran tomar fotos y si no tienen filters en el teléfono y ustedes tienen un teléfono cheap, esto no les va a funcionar. Para usar esto y que funcione, tienen que tener una cámara de high-end y tienen que tener un teléfono que tenga 4K. De lo contrario, ustedes se van a ver horribles todo el día. No más, horribles. ¿Ok? La base, una vez que salen al sol y a la intemperie y recibe la oxidación del sol y de la humedad o de lo que sea que esté en el medio ambiente en ese momento, todas las imperfecciones que ustedes tengan en la piel van a salir a la luz. Nada, no les va a cubrir nada. Vean este rostro de Dilandia después de solo 4 horas y medio hacer workout. ¿Por qué? Porque estaba tan frustrada de cómo se iba a ver en la cámara por el maquillaje que ni tan siquiera hizo al 100% los ejercicios. Entonces, es frustrante porque si ustedes se van y tratan de aplicar para hacer el pedido, no es barata, es un poco over the price, está en los price de medio high-end precios, o sea, son casi 40 y algo dólares. No lo veo justo para lo que ofrecen. Entonces, les decía en inglés, si quieres tener una base que te va a hacer bien para una foto y tienes el estudio y tienes el teléfono necesario y la cámara con 4K, tal vez te funcione. De lo contrario, vas a desperdiciar dinero y no te va a servir más que para eso, para estar sentado aquí, ponértela y quitártela en media hora. Si es que una vez que empieces a sudar, olvídalo. No matter what, I will give my rating. Then for me, the rating is application. I will give 7 of 10. Because even don't cover, even don't do a perfect tone, I will say what I explained before, you know, at least when I am applying, if I see the camera, look nice, you know, I don't like what I am seeing in person, but in camera is okay. The setting look it's beautiful, but if for you create a setting look, then it's because you have all the previous steps you did it. That means the skin care was good, and with what you setting the foundation, that means the powder, the blush, the contouring. If you have a good product, you can do a good setting look, but I don't will say it's 100% for the foundation. The coverage, I would say 4 of 10. If you want, this is no medium cover, this is not full cover, this is not light medium, this no cover, nothing. Long last, no, definitely is 4 of 10. Price is over the price. Look, I think I never been so tough with one brand or one product like today if they don't charge the price they are charging. If you tell me they sell me this for $8, $7, $10, I would say, even when I did the mistake, for example, with the tint with NYX, and what I say, I still have to compensate that brand because I know what's my mistake, then I need to do that review with a real foundation. But you see, even with that price, I will say, okay, it's $5, okay, I got it what I pay, but I pay a lot, and it's only good thing about this side is why I'm giving them 4 or 5. How much? Huh? I rate 4? Okay, if I rate 4, it's because you have the advantage, you can return, you test and you return. Then is what I will do. But in 14 days, right? Then is what I did. I order, I receive, I test, and if I would like it, I would keep it, but I don't like it, I will return. This is the only good side about this. And when I say flawless, forget it. Flawless will be only in the moment you done the makeup, and is what I say because the other product, not because the foundation. That's it. Let's move on. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for being one more time with us. And this week, I hope this review was enough fun and interesting for you, and you find the information to take the best decision of your shopping and your beauty makeup. Remember, in this time, the best you can do is save a little coins. Que mis amiguitos, amiguitas y toda la gente que le encanta el makeup, gracias por estar una semana más con nosotros, y espero que esto les haya servido para tomar las mejores decisiones posibles y no caigan en esos engaños del marketing y del Instagram y del Facebook que nos engañan con productos mágicos y que en realidad solo son Photoshop o edición de video. And before we go, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and click in the ring down below so you can receive the notification every time we do some new videos. And please remember, all the products and this video will be down below in the description. But other information around this video will be in that section too. And please don't forget to come back every week and keep looking the rest of the video and the playlist we are putting in the top, and you will see more eye looks. And remember, we have our IGTV and Instagram, but at Designed by Riveras or at the Riveras 99. Okay, we wait for you down there, and we have different content all the time. Remember, my dear community, we need to be careful how we act, because we don't need to be, and we don't need to act with great malice to do a great harm. The absence of empathy and think in the others and the people around us is enough to create that. Then be careful what you do, what you say, and especially in this time, try to be empathy with everybody and try to share love and good energy around you. Mis queridos amigos, recordemos siempre, mi querida comunidad, gracias por estar una vez más con nosotros, y espero que esto sea parte de un incentivo para ustedes de tratar de ser mejores personas, de ser parte de una mejor comunidad y de educarse a sí mismos. Porque recuerden que no es necesario, por ignorancia, actuar con gran malicia para hacer gran daño. Es más que suficiente con no ser empático y no pensar en los demás. Así que en estos tiempos que todo se ve oscuro y que todo se ve que vamos en posición indirecta a lo positivo, tratemos de brindar energía positiva y tratemos de compartir amor y empatía con todas las personas a nuestro alrededor. Thank you to be one more week with us. Gracias una vez más por estar con nosotros, and see you in the next. Los espero la siguiente semana. Mi nombre es Luis Rivera y esto fue Design by Riveras.